Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to do an educational video how to protect your airdrop wallets from scams and hacks over internet. We use usually multiple wallets to enter into an airdrop. Even if you use only one wallet, you need to see this video to be protected and know some easy and complex tools that you can use in order to be protected and do your airdrops more easily. Like always, I'm going to explain a little bit and I'm going to give you 9 steps and tools and things that you can do in order to be protected, from the most obvious stuff to a little more complex ways to be protected. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember that if you want to do another step on the airdrop hunter path, you can check in my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions my 2 subscriptions. One is our private Discord. We are more than 200 people there sharing high level of information about different new airdrops, airdrops distribution, NFTs to get rewards, everything related to airdrops, crypto portfolios, gems to invest during this bear market. Everything about that is in our Discord. And I also have created this application to easily manage and register and apply into airdrops. So you can check these 2 videos on how my app works. There are new changes and updates in April soon. So with these 2 tools, my Discord and my app, you're set to use multiple wallets and apply into hundreds of airdrops at the same time and get the best results on the airdrop hunter path. Now let's go into the video. Guys, like you know, if you are following my channel already, you are applying to airdrops, you are interested in making money without investing anything or only paying gas fees for transactions. So if you are already following me, just pick this video in order to know that you understand all the things that you need to do. And if it's your first time here, I usually on my YouTube channel cover dozens of videos about airdrops. I am mostly focused on airdrops in my channel besides some crypto gems and stuff. So in order to be protected and apply to all these airdrops in a secure way, I'm going to share with you 9 things that you always need to consider at the time that you are using airdrop wallet. We are going to see a couple of basic stuff that of course you probably already are doing, but some of them maybe are new for you. So without anything else, let's go directly to these steps. So protecting your identity on internet should be always a priority for you. Not only for this purpose of the video for applying to airdrops, but when you trade with money online, even more. But when you add using the centralized wallets and applying to airdrops is a must. So take advantage of these 9 points and start to applying them in your daily day job as an airdrop hunter. Step 1 is very, of course, obviously, when you create your MetaMask or any other decentralized wallet, always secure your recovery phrase and set a strong password to log in. This could be obvious for you, but I received many messages of people telling me how they can recover their MetaMask account because they didn't securely put the recovery phrase in a way that they can go back and use that to recover the wallet. Sometimes you get a fishy scam or anything like that, but if you are quickly enough, even if you were hacked, you could recover your wallet and send your funds into a secure location. So having your recovery phrase in hand and in a good position is always a must. So if you have 10 wallets, you need to have all those recovery phrases securely in a location. It could be in paper or anywhere that you want. Of course, don't save it in a TXT file over the same computer or device that you have your wallets, because that doesn't make any sense. And always put a strong password to log in. So this is our basic stuff, but you cannot understand how many people that maybe is hacked or had a wallet compromised, they don't have the recovery phrases. Now the second tip here is only use specific wallets to apply on airdrops. Wallets that only hold the minimum for paying transactions. So your airdrop hunter wallet should not be your HODL wallets portfolio. Of course, I am doing airdrops almost daily, but I am a crypto investor since 2017. So I have been swing trading over these bear markets and bull markets and I have a lot of amount of different tokens and portfolios in my hard wallet. So if for some reason someone hacks my airdrop wallet, they are not really going to find any asset there. I only have some amount of money to manage transactions, but my major portfolios are not on the internet and not available to be hacked. Never use a wallet that you have found for your long-term investments in your airdrop hunter path. So that is tip 2. The tip 3, always do your own research before applying an airdrop. Don't follow any advice blindly only because a YouTuber or influencer tells you. And do not apply to airdrops that your instinct tells you not to. At the end, it's your money and it's your time. Guys, I can assure you that each video that I post here on my YouTube channel and in my social media, I have been carefully reviewing everything before launching it here. I don't want to be hacked. Each video that I post here, I am participating. Maybe not super active, but of course I do all the airdrops videos that I publish because I want to be sure that I am not sending something dangerous to you. But never is guaranteed, so always do your own research. And if for some reason, even if I believe enormously in Layer 0 as a product, as a project, if your gut, if your instinct tell you not to connect your wallet into Layer 0, please don't do it. You need to hear your instinct in this stuff. Sometimes we really don't know. Major projects could be a scam at the end, so that happened also. Now, the number 4, you should always be using a VPN when you are online. This is not only for crypto wallets, but for sure you need to use VPN connections when you use your wallet to apply on airdrops. So these are terms that are basic if you are an online user, but if you don't know what a VPN is and why you need it, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network and describes the opportunity to establish a protected network connection when using public networks. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic and disguise your online identity. This makes it more difficult for third parties to track your activities online and steal data. So there are many companies that provide these services. I personally use NordVPN. I also have ExpressVPN. I work sometimes with Norton Secure VPN. There are also free VPNs that you can try that actually work. More if you are using a Mac iOS device, you are going to find some great free applications to use VPN. But this is going to protect you a lot, and also it's going to help you to the point 5, which is here's my strategy on how to manage multiple wallets to apply on airdrops securely and not being blacklisted or civil. Using VPNs on your airdrop wallets where you are applying, it's going to prevent you to be blacklisted or considered a sibling for the airdrop distribution. So step 4 is a must. Step 5, also I am sharing my strategy there. So go here to the link on the step 5. This is how to manage multiple wallets. I explain everything in the video. I don't use multiple MetaMask accounts in the same browser. So this is the way that I am using multiple wallets. So check this chart, check this information, check this video. Add to this video the information of the VPNs and you are going to be really safe there. Also consider points 1, 2 and 3. So now all these 5 points, guys, are basically how to use multiple airdrop wallets in a secure way, how to create your wallet securely, saving your recovery phrase, what wallets do you need to use, which ones you shouldn't be using. But now let's go a couple of steps after you are using your wallet, how to be secure. So the step 6 is always disconnect your MetaMask from the websites after you use them. And I put the link there into the official MetaMask support link on how to disconnect your wallet from a DApp. But basically it's really easy. When you are on your MetaMask, you can see here, you go here to the 3 dots and here in connected sites, you can see that right now I am connected to all these sites, guys. You can see the complete list that I have been using in my case only today. But basically you need to click on disconnect and disconnect always of these projects after you use it. So don't keep your connections open there. You are going to see in the next step that this is not the only thing that you need to do, but this is basic stuff. Disconnect from all these projects after you have been using it. don't leave those connections open forever. So doing this, you are going to be preventing maybe someone hacking your MetaMask connection at this moment and being able to be drawing your funds. The same if one of these projects is hacked, you are establishing an open connection here, so you can be also hacked and lose all your funds there. So I have been using all these apps today. So now you can see I disconnected to everything here on my MetaMask. It's empty, I don't have connected accounts. But doing that is not all, guys. One of the most important things is the point 7. Revoke permissions of the sites and understand what allowance is. And here you have a link. This is a secure link to revoke.cash, which sends you to this website. And you can see that they explain this. Take back control of your wallet. When using the apps like Uniswap or OpenSea, you have to grant them permissions to spend your tokens and NFTs. This is called an allowance. If you don't revoke these allowances, the DApp can spend your tokens forever. Take back control by revoking your allowances. So how you do that? Here you can connect your wallet, and once you are connected, you are going to see that revoke application. You have your wallet here. It's going to show you here everything that is connected, and here in the allowance you can see that it says there are no allowances or you have unlimited allowances. So that means that I am granting permission in this wallet to these protocols to use my funds freely. And in this particular wallet that I wanted to show is not my common wallets. You can see that I have allowances unlimited since 2022. So probably when you see this video, you are going to be surprised on how many allowances you have open. So the thing here, guys, is that to revoke this, you need to pay the transaction fees, because for doing this you need to do a transaction fee. So you only are going to pay gas, but you can see how this is revoking the permissions, and you can see that now was revoked successfully, and I need to do that with each of these ones. So I have like 8 things here that are unlimited available to use my funds. And you can see that in this case I am in Goerlik Ethereum, so it doesn't happen anything. This is the Faucet Goerlik Ethereum network, but you need to change into each of the different networks and move here into each network and see how your allowances are. Now I am moving into Ethereum mainnet. So you can see that here in MetaMask I have 2 things to revoke. So click in revoke, pay the gas fee, and you are going to be fine. I would recommend you to go into all the different networks that you use normally and revoke all your permissions. Of course, you are going to spend money in these transactions, but this is for your safety. Always do this in your airdrop wallets. Now, step 8. You can also check here the contract address of a token for free in search of malware or fishy data. This is also a good idea when you enter into an airdrop or want to enter into an airdrop that they already launched the token, for example, but they are doing an airdrop. You can check that contract address in order to see if there is a scam project or not. So just for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it with USDC in Ethereum. So I copy the contract address here, and here in the website I will put Ethereum on the network, and I will paste here the contract address and click on check. And you can see some results here. The contract security, this is a trusted token. The contract source code verification, there's no proxies here. Here you have the basic information, the top 10 holders. Honeypot risk, they are saying that this is also secure. So again, this is not 100% guarantee, but at least it's a free tool where you can check contract addresses in order to be able to know your risk. According to security dictation, you have 0 risk in this contract address and there's no attention items. So keep this link in your tooltip with the Revoke Cash and the Go Plus Labs.io, so you can put contract addresses of new tokens that you are not really sure if they are secure or not. And finally, guys, step 9 is that you can use multi-sign wallets to apply into your airdrops. for an extra secure rule. And even leave this type of wallet to fishy projects that you want to try anyways. So sometimes even if you find a fishy airdrop to apply, you may want to do it anyways. So in those cases, you can try to use your multi-sign wallet. And to have a multi-sign wallet, you can use Gnosis Safe. So you go here, you create a new safe wallet. Why it's called multi-sign? That means that you can put more than one wallet to confirm the transactions for your multi-sign wallet. So basically you are going to create here a new wallet for the network that you want. You have Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Optimism, you have a couple of here. So you create a new wallet, but you can add multiple wallets to confirm in each transaction. So that means if someone hacks your wallet, they are not going to be able to withdraw the funds because they are going to need confirmation from another wallet that maybe is not hacked. So this is a way to secure and be safe using safe multi-sign wallets. I am not using multi-sign wallets on my airdrop wallets, but if you want to do risk movements, then you may use your multi-sign for some specific things. Guys, that is step 9. Doing a summary of all this. Step 1, guys, to protect your airdrop wallets, always keep your recovery phrase and strong password. Only use wallets for airdrops that are not used for your long-term holds. Step 3, always do your own research before applying an airdrop. Step 4, you should always use VPNs on your airdrop wallets. Step 5, you can check here my strategy on how to use multiple wallets to apply to airdrops. The step 6, it will be always disconnect your MetaMask from websites after you use them. Step 7, revoke your permissions of sites and understand what allowance is. Step 8, you can check here the contract address of a token if you have doubts about the legitimacy of it. And step 9, for a more secure way, you can use multi-sign wallets for your transactions. Guys, all these 9 steps is going to help you to keep your airdrop wallet safe and applying correctly to all these airdrops without having issues. Remember that if you want to do another step on this airdrop hunter path, I have a Discord with a lot of people killing it there. We are covering big airdrops, new airdrops that we don't cover in my channel, airdrop distribution so you don't miss anything of that. NFTs, OAG NFTs that will help you to get some rewards from different projects, crypto gems, crypto portfolio strategies, many things are in my Discord, guys. We are killing it there and we are growing. And I also have my application. This is my airdrop register application that will help you to order and register easily to all the airdrops that I cover and to your custom airdrops too. So here you have 2 videos on how my app works. And more updates on April are going to be launched soon on my app. Guys, that is all for this video, how to protect your airdrop wallets. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.